Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are obviously setting up an online store. The first step is actually adding products. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to add products in Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Wix.com. After this, we're gonna go all the way. Basically, so we can log in using your email address and password after tapping on Wix.com. It's your time now to actually see this dashboard. After this, there is multiple options here, getting paid, catalog as well, restaurant menu for me. I can see the menus, but if you are basically having another website or another type of website, you will be able to see the basically Wix stores. All you're gonna do now is tap on basically Wix stores. It will take you to a list of products. Add a new product by tapping, click add product, then choose a physical or digital product, it depends on you. Enter the product details including product name, description, prices, and basically more options if you have to. Then upload the product image, add a high quality photos, set inventory and shipping, adjust stock levels and shipping info. Then save the product. Your product is now live on your site. And that's basically it. After this, it will be fully done. You can also use a clear product photos since you need to. The customers would like to see valuable photos and real-time photos of your product. Write benefit-focused descriptions as well if you can. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.